my god, I have to clean up all the mess here in the kitchen before my friend comes. Gonna put this one here. It's all messy, so let's clean it up. Well organized now. Oops. Close the door here. Ah, it's hot. Have to drink something. There you go. Let's get mine and my friends. Put it back. Oh, I have to charge my phone. Here you go. No, I just put it here. It's also charging it. Oh, my friend is almost coming. Let's put this one here. Sliding door.
Hey,
how you doing, man? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
You brought the pizza?
Pizza.
Wonderful.
Hey, come drink. Hey.
Hey, how are you? Hey, boss, how are you doing?
Oh, very good. And you?
Good.